We are back again with, guess what, more Chaos Rising. I actually have a lot of different packs of Chaos Rising between all these different products, so we'll be opening up a bunch now, and then we'll have a bunch sprinkling in the upcoming weeks. So let's get this Ampharos IR, let's get this gold Mega Greninja, and yeah, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, follow, whatever it is depending on the platform. You already know that. And we start off with that Mareep into a Fennekin. After the Fennekin, we have a Transformation Tome. Then we have a Sudowoodo after that. Now we have a Skuntank, and I like that on that Skuntank. We have a Wimpod reverse and IR. No, we have a Mareep reverse, and we ended off with a Delphox.